Hi guys, nandito na naman ako at ating try itong ating kitchen sink kasi hindi ko pa talaga siya fully na try and I hope na manonood kayo sa aking eksperimento. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Today is Monday, so last night kami nag-party dito. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga na video yung mga kaganapan natin dito last night because nauubusan na talaga ako ng ating storage. But ito yung ginagawa natin, naghuhugas tayo after our party. Ang gusto ko nitong sink na ito is because multifunctional siya. Kaya lang maliit siya, but nevertheless, I'm still thankful kasi at least may sink na tayo, may functioning sink na tayo. O, di pa ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung pag-was-was ko ng ating mga plato dito. Alright, dyan ko lang kayo ilagay ha kasi itong mga plato dito ay plastic muna yung ginagamit namin, so kailangan talaga na i-hand wash lang kasi hindi siya pwede sa dishwasher. Tapos itong mga senta na cups, mini cups, oh diba ang cute? Linalagyan ko siya ng nagsuman kami kagabi, so kailangan ng tsokolate, so dito ko linagay yung tsokolate at hindi din ito dishwasher safe, so kailangan i-hand wash lang siya talaga. Okay. Ito ay nasabunan ko na. But, uulitin lang natin. O, diba? Ang ganda. Ang init. Tapos may nakapit na. Dali pa nakapit na. Tawag. Kasi nakita ko sa kagana. Hindi siya na. Kasi, so, pwede hindi dapat masakit ng cake. Ito tawag ko ay. Let's go. Kita titigis natin. Tapos, hugasan lang natin. And then, lagay natin yung lahat dito sa ating pupunuin ito natin ng tubig. Diba? Tingnan nyo. Para pagkatapos dito, banlaw dito. Banlaw dyan, tapos atin ang i-dry. Okay, magtatrabaho lang muna ako at kayo, please standby lang kayo dyan, okay? Ito yung ating reusable na plastic container. Lagay ko lang ito dito. Ayan, naman ito. Nahugasan ko na ito mga ating kuya. Ito sa ating bakang. Kalas ng tubig guys. Sobrang kalas talaga ng tubig. Ayan. Then, last wash. Tapos ilagay na natin ito dito for drying. Drying lang ito. Again, hindi natin pwedeng ipasok ito sa ating dishwasher dahil ay hindi siya safe doon. Kasi yung dishwasher natin, ewan ko kung anong bertud ng ating mga dishwasher at mayroon tayong mga utensils na hindi pwede doon sa loob ng dishwasher. Siguro dahil ay malakas yung force niya doon. Tapos, ito pwede naman itong mga kaldero. Kaya lang ay sayang naman, kaunti lang yung laman. So, akin na lang itong manual washing. But anyway, so ito yung gusto ko ng ating dishwasher kasi manual. Itong ating sink kasi ang dami niyang features. However, ang liit-liit lang talaga ng ating sink. Kaya naka-splash all over the place. Tingnan nyo, basa na ako. Kailangan talaga, I think what I bought is napakaliit. Yung pinakamaliit na sink yung nabili ko. Ay, ang daming palpak dito sa kusina. But anyway, nandito na tayo. So, gagamitin na lang natin yan. Kasi, gusto ko sanang palitan na lang Di bali makagasta naman tayo ng ibang sink. Kaya lang, ang problema ay ayaw ni Dan na bibili kami ng medyo mas malaki kasi puputulin itong granite, and itong granite ay is very sensitive. Baka takot siya ba na mag-crack pag putol niya. Yung manufacturer, tapos yung nag-install dito, ayaw na nilang bumalik. Kasi nga, yung cutting nila ay doon sa kanilang bodega. So, ayaw nilang offshore ng cutting kasi yun din yung rason na baka mag-crack ang ating bato. Kaya, mantingin lang tayo dito sa ating maliit na sink. Ang gusto ko lang is, the good thing for this one is, at least malalim siya. So, okay lang. But still, parang disgusto talaga ako sa size niya. Oh well, wala na tayong mado dito kasi nandito na ito. Huhugasan ko lang muna ito. Ay, ang lamig. Yan, painit na natin. Iinit siya pag fully i-switch on mo toward the extreme right yung knob niya. So, yun. Fully siya. Iinit siya talaga. Pero kung halfway lang, yun malamig. Kasi nag-snow sa labas, kaya malamig yung ating kapaligiran. Yan, gusto ko sana pahinaan yung airflow ba. Kaya lang, pag pahinaan mo, malamig yung lalabas na tubig. Kaya, di bali, dami talagang mali nitong na ito. Sink na ito, kaya sabi ng asawa ko, huwag ka nang bumili ng ukay-ukay na sink kasi nahihirapan talaga lahat ng mga tao dito. Okay. Hi husband, I'm recording.
Okay, now get that thing off.
I am busy. What do you have? Oh, okay. That's for Christmas. That has to... Dinala niya yung ibang decors ko galing sa bahay.
That can be any time of year.
Can you greet my friends here?
Right there, it's right there.
Can you come and greet my friends? Show yourself. Ito yung
Hello everyone in the world there.
Can you show yourself? Ito kailangan, I need to soak this one overnight, I guess. It has already been soaking for...
Let's hope that works.
What's that for? I already have that. I told you, I already have that kind.
You don't have wooden
How
ones.
much is it?
Like $4.
$4. We need to return that 200 pesos or 500 pesos.
What do you have though?
Or 300. No, huh?
What do you have though? We'll see what
It should be, it's plastic. It should be, thank you. Yeah, that would work. This sink is like really horribly small for me.
What's that?
Tapos, i-heat up ko yung mga leftover namin kagabi para kakainin namin for dinner tonight. Tapos, dito ako natulog. This is my third time na natulog dito sa aming bagong bahay. Oh, cold. Yan, tapos na kulit. Bakit ito kulit? Off na natin. Ikaw sa kulit ito. Nakainis talaga.
Thank you.
Alright, so ang husband ko ay gusto niyang palitan itong mga acrylic chairs ko, ghost chairs ko. I don't know why. So you explain to me why you are going to change our acrylic chairs, which is really nice. I mean, look at that.
Because they're made out of tinfoil. Brian doesn't like them.
Made out of tin foil.
Brian didn't like them. No one likes them because.
What? Who told you that? But in fairness, guys, yung mga visitors namin ay parang takot silang umupo dito. Pero, my gosh, like there were visitors that came that sat in there. They're like over 200 pounds.
Yeah, Brian didn't like them because this is.
What?
I'm not gonna move this one. I ain't moving at all on this one.
How about Dan? Dan sits there, and then Rick sits there. Ay, ewan ko na lang. Pero in fairness, yung mga ibang mga friends ko, mas gusto nilang, ano na lang, tumayo na lang dito kaysa umupo doon. Parang takot sila na basag yun. So, di bali na, i-reserve na lang namin yan sa mga parties. Tapos, okay, so, why don't you explain it to them how that is being manufactured, installed? Ito yung bagong...
Oh, it just fits in the back here. This just slides in. And you put screw. Oh my goodness, which screws are they going to be?
Screws, John.
I don't even know.
Where are the screws though? Does that even work?
I just don't know which. The small ones are big ones, and then these go in the other one. So I think, I don't know if these take the big ones or the small ones. I don't know. See, go like this. I guess that's right. I don't know if they take the big ones or the small one. It didn't say, so.
And why are you wearing gloves?
So that when you touch that, it doesn't get fingerprints all over. They provided gloves, so.
Now, what kind of material is the what kind of material is the backrest?
Glittery.
Which is good for?
Which one? I don't know.
Cat scratching.
Probably don't want to scratch anything. Fire pit.
Rude. Oh my gosh, don't even say that. Fire pit. Sunugin daw niya yung mga mahal na. Oh, you know how expensive that is? Rude.
You got cheated on it. You got cheated on it. That's what this is gonna be. I can't even. I don't know how to
That's what you get.
How do I do this?
I think the acrylics are even more strong than this one.
You know what?
This is a junk kind of.
Done this first. Oh well.
You're so arty. See? That's more beautiful than that one. Binili ko yan sa ukay-ukay din. But it was intended for downstairs, sa basement.
Beautiful.
Trash. Rude. Don't be mean. This is really nice. This is expensive. This one, I think we only got this for like $70 for the 4. Yan guys, ito yung gusto niya. I kind of like it kasi medyo leather siya dito. But, paborito yan ng mga pusa na yan. This will not last 1 month if the cats are here. Huh? Mas gusto ko ito kasi hindi mas-scratch ng mga pusa. Kaya lang, takot daw yung mga tao, sabi ni Cory na umupo dyan, baka mag-break. Hindi, it can carry 250 pounds. Ito yung leftover namin kagabi. So, ilagay ko lang yan sa oven kasi hindi pa gumagana yung aming microwave. Tapos ito, ang leftover ng aking kaldereta. Tatapon na lang siguro yan. Wala namang yan, karne. Tapos ito, ininit ko na. Dinala ito ng kaibigan kong si Lenny. And then this one, I also boiled this kahapon. So, kakainin namin ito. Ngayon, iniinit ko lang siya. Yan. Tatapusin namin ito ngayon. Sayang naman. Tapos ito ay macaroni galing sa kapatid ko. So yan, ito lang yung kakainin namin for tonight. Very nice. There are only 4 of them. Where are the others?
How
Where
many?
are the others?
So we can have a chair that no one will use unless we have 6. I mean, it's okay if you're on the end here.
All right, let's eat. Can you pray? Bukas ko na lang aayusin yan kasi pagod na ako. At least yung kusina ay nalinis na ng asawa ko. Yan. And then, ito na yung bago naming kitchen dining area. Kasi pinalitan ng asawa ko yung acrylic. Where are the acrylic chairs?
Threw them out.
No!
They're underneath the stair. They're underneath here.
Brood. Yan na po. Yung bago naming sitwasyon dito. But I wish there were like 6 of them. We need more chairs.
You can get 2 more.
Good night.